Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SM CAD. Today I will show you how we can draw media wall as you see on the screen. You can see in our main photo there is no dimension, so I draw this one separately here, and I kept all dimension from my side. You can change this one according to your own design also. So you can see here the full height of the media wall is 300 and the length is 360. So we'll start first with this baselines. Here the length is 360 and the height is 300. Again 360 and 300, we will close it here. Okay, now we will start first with this section, and I keep the dimension here, so we will follow this dimension. Okay, here you can see this height little bit looks like more, might be it is the same but looks like more in the photo, so that's why this offset I kept little bit more than the other one. So here you can see this offset I kept as a 4. So I'll just take one offset with the 4 unit from here go down, and this offset I take it with the 2.5 units. So offset 2.5 like this, and then you can see here this area. We will draw first this first box, and then we will copy the same box. So this is 50 by 55. So I will take the offset here, 50 from here, and another offset with the 55, which will be the height, and again one more offset with the 2 units here and down also here. Now we will trim this unwanted lines which we don't need. Okay, and the height of this two boxes is the same, so I will just copy this with the base point. This will be the base point, and I will just paste it here and one more here. So it is the same. The trimming we will do later on. Now I will look to this area. This is the base point. So the base here I give 5 centimeter. So I'll take one offset with 5, and then you can see this height is 40. So up to here our job is completed. Now we will go to the other section. Okay. Now you can see here this design starting from here. We have from here to here we have 186 units. So I will just take one offset with 186 to here, and also we will see here the height of this from here to here it is 70. So one more offset with the 70 units from here. We will trim this, and this design between each one is I kept 5 units, so I will just take offset with 5. But before completing that I need to draw also this another line or this section also here. So you can see this where we are fixing T with that portion, it is how much from here to here, it is total 240 units. So I will just take one offset from here with the 240 units. Okay, and I will extend this line. Now I will trim this. And the height of this, it is 136 units. So again one more offset with the 136 from here to bottom section, and again I will just remove this. Okay. I will just copy this with the base point, and we will continue move on like this. Okay, There is just one, I think one unit difference is there, but I will just copy this or take offset for this with the 5, and I will remove this. Okay, we'll extend this like this, and here also. And just again, we will start copying this design, which will be all same with the 5 units. Okay. And this portion also, I will just copy this, or we'll make it a mirror like this, and which is we don't need, we will just trim this area. Okay, so this middle section also is ready. Now we'll come to this portion or this section. You can see this design, which looks like a table. So this is, I kept, this is 5 centimeter. You can see this is looks like bigger than the normal plywood. So I will just take, it is from here. You can also see from here I take 5, not from here. So just I will take from here, or instead of that, okay, we'll take from here 5. Okay, and I will just trim this. This is fully trimmed, and also this is trim. Okay, and this also not required here, here, and here also. Okay, actually it is required that section. Yeah, it will go here. Or extend again. Okay, so it will be not required here. This area is completely open. Now the height of this, you can see it is 15. So I'll just take an offset from here. Again, I will trim here also. I will trim this one, and here I will trim that. Okay. An offset for this also will be 5. Here just I will remove this. Okay, and this completely I will delete. And here also we will take one more offset with the 5 to this side, and same here, trim. So this portion also is ready. You can see this looks like the same here. Okay. Now the last part, which is here, you can see this one, the total is 360. So we will divide this one into 3, which will be 120, 120, 120. You can take an offset also, or just take one line from here with 120 units and keep it here. Then delete this line and extend. Also copy this from here with the 120 units and enter. So you can see almost our drawing is ready. We will just do some cleaning job here for professional look. And in the next tutorial, we will just convert the same model into 3D. So I hope you understand something from here. So learn something from here.